playing in the beach, I feel really hungry. Come, let's have something hot to drink from this cafe. My stomach is rumbling. Why do we get hungry? Food we have eaten gets digested or broken down as it moves into our stomach and along our intestines. When there is nothing left to digest, air gets pushed along instead and we hear rumbling. Moreover, when we haven't eaten for a while, we get hungry. Our stomach is empty and our brain tells us that our blood is running out of energy. Hunger is our body's automatic way of reminding us to eat again. Correct. Our stomach feels full for about an hour after we have eaten. After about 3 hours, there is less food in our stomach. After about 5 hours, most of the food has been used up. After about 6 hours, there is almost nothing in our stomach. Our body has 2 ways of telling us when we need to eat. Nerves in the stomach lining are sensitive to the pressure of food and tell us when the stomach is empty. In addition, receptors in the brain and some other organs of the body are continually checking the contents of the blood. If our blood sugar level falls, a feeling of hunger is triggered. In general, our body does not ask for more food than it burns up.